power of silence after breakup. Have you recently gone through a breakup? How long should you wait before contacting your ex? Should you be the one to call or text them? Is it for the best to totally cut all ties? You might be wondering how to handle things now. At this stage, the power of silence after a breakup is all you need. How powerful is silence after a breakup? Here are 13 no contact tips. 1. Give it enough time to work. The no contact rule takes time to work. How long should you stay silent after a breakup? The answer is 30 to 60 days. But healing takes time. Sometimes you might even need much longer. So don't rush it. 2. Don't try to fix things. Stop convincing your ex to change their mind and come back to you. You're only going to end up hurting more. Keep chasing. You'll only push them further away. Stop focusing on why things went wrong. Instead, focus on moving forward. Shows you have boundaries and are not at their call. 3. Remember the bad times. Real life is full of ups and downs. Now is actually the perfect time to recall all the bad moments. It will help you to stay strong. This will remind you of the reasons why you broke up. Do it every time you need strength to stay away from your ex. 4. Get plenty of support. Talking to someone can help you see things differently. It also reminds you that you're not alone. They can help you to understand why you're feeling the way you are. Sometimes we all need a little extra support. 5. When you feel like you want to give in, do this. At some point, you may feel like you're not strong enough to say goodbye. You will want to reach out to your ex. Rather than give in, buy yourself some more time. Wait at least one more day until you make your decision. Get your motivation for the strong craving to speak to your ex to pass. 6. Hold on to your dignity. Silence after a breakup helps you to hold on to your dignity. Showing your self-worth and boundaries is the way to go. Desperate acts will only push your ex further away. So how can you get your ex back? The only thing to do is to re-spark their romantic interest in you. 7. The best revenge is no reaction. Being mad at your ex isn't going to fix things. It's only going to make things worse. Non-reaction is one of the best ways to say it all, without saying anything. 8. Know that they're bound to miss you too. You'll never be able to get inside someone else's head. Trying to will only drive you crazy. No contact is designed to support you to stop thinking about them. Start thinking more about yourself. But if it does offer you some comfort, then know this: your ex is bound to miss you. Breakups are never easy for anyone. Giving them the space to miss you can find out whether they regret the breakup. 9. Delete their number. Don't totally trust yourself? Delete their number and unfollow them on social media ASAP. This puts the barrier between you and you reaching out to them. 10. Work on yourself. The true power of no contact after a breakup is to do what is best for you. Help your own healing and growth. Breakups can be a good time for self-exploration. Looking to yourself is the best way to have healthy relationships in the future. 11. Lean on routine. Routines are important. Embrace routine to find some stability and normality. Make sure you stick to it. Don't try to change things around too much. Focus on getting back into your normal routine for the strength to move forward. 12. Spring clean your surroundings. Our environment can make a big difference. It actually helps you visualize a fresh start. This way useful to clear up any visible reminders of them from your space. 13. Indulge in some feel-good self-care. Everyone needs to care for themselves. After a breakup, you'll probably find yourself going through some tough emotional times. It doesn't mean you shouldn't try to enjoy life as best you can. Take some time to do whatever makes you happy. Make an effort to take care of yourself.